Hey folks, welcome to another Funnelish video tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create bundle with free gifts. So here you see on my screen, we have this beautiful checkout page, and we have this bundle. So when we select the first bundle, we have these two options available as a free gift, and when we select the second bundle, we have these four items available with this one. So let's see how we can create the same user experience for our customer. And here you see we have this checkout page. Right now I'm going to clone this step so that we can mimic the same things and you can see from scratch. Let's refresh, and here you see. So we have 7 products in this step. First one is order bump, and these are the main product of this step. This is the first bundle, and this is the second bundle. As you see here, first bundle and second bundle. And here are the 4 free items with the $0. That means it is free, it has no charge or cost. And let's edit this page now, and we're going to remove all of them, all this container, and build them from scratch so that you can learn. So now see, it is fresh and it does not have any bundle there. So first thing is we are going to add a new container with 4 boxes, and let's see what we have done here. So we have a space between the container, which is 10 pixel. Let's add this space between the boxes, 10 pixel, and we have fixed width for the first box and second box. The first one is 20 pixel and the second one is 80 pixel. Let's do it here. The first box is 20 pixel, second one is 80 pixel, and we have padding here, 15 pixel. Uh, 15 pixel on left and right, and 15 pixel on top and bottom. We have border and border radius. So here you see we have 1 pixel border with this color, and we have 12 pixel border radius. So we're going to add border here, 1 pixel border with this color and 12 pixel border radius. Okay, now we have we need to add the elements for we need to add the elements here. So in the first box, we're going to add a radio button, radio, no padding, no margin, and remove this required thing. And from the data type, we're going to select product ID, and here we also want to bind this product with this product ID. And as you see, we don't have a label here, so here we're going to remove this label and make sure all of them align to center. We are going to remove background color white to transparent. And now in the second box, we are going to add a product image. So here is our product image. I'm just going to copy the URL from here and paste here. We are going to add headline with product name, bold, line to left, removing padding from headline. Now we are going to add this item pricing thing. So first we're going to add a container. Let's add the paragraph first, which has the current price, which on is here, 59.95 pixel, 18 pixel font size, 18 pixel font size, bold, removing padding, keep this margin on top. we're going to add another element here, which is container, with this, for removing this margin, and we're going to have 4 boxes, I think, for the container. So here we have this 4 boxes, and we have fixed width here for the second one and the third one. First one is 80 pixel, second one is 80 pixel, and third one is 40 pixel. And I think we have spacing between boxes, which is 5 pixel. And this is the paragraph with background. Paragraph font size maybe 14 pixel. No padding right now. Add 15% off here. 15% off. Let's see now. The font size is 12 pixel, bold and red. Sorry, white color and red background. 12 pixel, bold, white color, and red background. Red background. I think we have border radius as it is around 15 pixel, 50 pixel. Border radius 50 pixel. And now we have this strike through price 120. Paragraph, removing this margin padding. 15 pixel font size, strike through, red, bold and red color. Bold, and red color. So this is it. Yeah. So now we're going to bind this container we have just built with with our product. So select the container, go to data, go to data bindings, data set. From product, we are going to bind this on. Save. So this item is bind now. Save the changes. This is our preview. Let's refresh. And here you see it is now selected and working fine. And now going back, and we are going to create an state. That means selected. So when it's selected, we are going to change the background color a little bit so that we recognize easily or differentiate. So here we have the selected state, and we have this background color. We are going to copy it, and for this selected state, we are going to add color, background color here. So now refresh this page. So click on this and you see the background color is changed. We're going to duplicate this container here. Add margin 24 or like that. And now we're going to replace our products image first. Then the product name. Then our price. Then how much we are giving off here, 67% off, and our old price is 360. And now let's bind this container with the second product. So from here we're going to change the first one and selecting this one. And we need to add a header for this container, for the second bundle, I mean. So here you see we have another container. Here you see we have another container. So we just copy paste from here. We can copy, Control C, select the container or any element in a Funnelish page editor, Control C, and you can paste where you want, Control V. So here you see, and drag and drop here. Like that, we're going to copy this header container from here, and we're going to add it here. So from here, we're going to remove this top margin and border radius. So unlock the border radius first, then remove from top left and top right. Let's save the changes, refresh this page. And here you see this one is selected by default. And we can do a things here, which is removing the changing the color here. Actually, it is 0 pixel border on top and have this color, right? So this item is highlighted here. So here you see we're going to highlight this on. So we're going to remove, let's change the color here. Then we're unlocking this thing, I mean the border, and going to change the top border to 0. So we don't need border on top. So this is it now. And now we're going to add this paragraph. So copy it from here and paste it here on top and drag and drop here. And now we're going to add another box with another container with 4 boxes for 4 free gift items. So we have this container, you see, and with this 10 pixel width, 10 pixel, and then we have container. Let's add container here with border, some border here, like 1 pixel dashed, and with this color which has 6 pixel border radius. So 1 pixel, this is our color, it will be dashed, and 6 pixel border radius. And I think we have some padding, right? No, we don't have padding. Okay, then we have image here. Let's add the image. And for that container, we have background color. We missed it. Let's copy the background color from here. Add it here for this container, background color. And now we have another thing, which is paragraph. For pricing, we don't need margin. We'll need negative margin here, but we'll add later. So here you see free, right? 12 pixel, free, with bold. I think all of them is bold, 12 pixel, and this price is strike through. And we have this background color, and we have max width 85 pixel. Let's add the background color first, and max with 85 pixel, and we need to change the color of the text to white. Okay, now it is white. And we have the border radius 5 pixel. We don't have any padding. We have border radius like this, and we have a negative margin here on top, which is minus 15 pixel. Minus 15 pixel. So now we are going to duplicate this container and add to the second box. And for the last box. And now we're going to change the image of the items. We are going to change the image path here, and this path as well. So now we are going to add a headline under this image. Headline, with no margin, no padding. We're going to add a icon here, lock icon, lock lock. We have this icon here, and we have a white background, 12. The font icon size is 12, 20 pixel, and line height 6.8 pixel. So let's add the background color first. Background color is white. Then we have 20 pixel font size. Line height is 6.5, 6.8 pixel. Line height 6.8 pixel. We have minimum height, which is 136.75 pixel. And we have a border radius 8 pixel. Border radius 8 pixel. And we have ID, mystery ID here, mystery. And we have a custom state. Here you see custom state. So we want to hide this element by default. So we are going to hide this, but we want to keep it visible on this editor. So we turn on this thing, and now add a custom state name active. And the difference between the default state and active state is we want to hide this element, I mean this headline, by default, but when it is active it will be visible on the, so it is hide by default but visible when it is active. Okay, that's the logic. And we need to clone this headline for this box as well. Just one thing we need to change here, which is the ID. The ID will be gift card, I think. Gift card. So we need to change the ID, gift card and mystery. Okay, now we are going to add another container underneath of this container, and we need to bind it with the free items. So let's go to data set product and bind it with free shipping. We need to add an checkbox here. Checkbox, remove or turn off the required thing. Select the data type from here to product ID. From data to data binds, we need to bind with product ID here as well. And here we are going to add the value. So this value will be our product ID. So let's go back to our step. Here you see product, and here you will find our product ID. We're going to copy this ID from here and paste it here. Okay, now we're going to duplicate the container here for the 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to paste it here. Now move it to third on. This container will be out of the first container, so it will be below that container, I mean this design. So let's bind each container with different product or corresponding product. So the second is for attraction playbooks. The third on is our mystery box, I think, and the last one is our gift card. By default, this container will be hidden, so we'll hide this container. Now we need to sense the value of the checkbox, because all of them are same, but we need to sense with the is product ID. So copy it here and sense the second one, then our third item, mystery box, copy the product ID from there, then our product last item. So here is our product ID. So we replaced all the value with the different product ID for this checkboxes. And now let's save it. So right now we need to add this name. We're going to copy it and paste it here. So paste it here. So it will be the main container, not into this container. If we add into this container, it will be hidden. It will not be shown. So let's copy it from here again. Paste it here. Let's change the name now. Save it. Let's refresh this page and see the changes. So these are the changes we have right now. So by default, this item is selected. We have turned on selected by default for this bundle here, and it is working like that on the preview as well. And we want to offer the 4 free gift items with this bundle, but it is not showing here on the order summary. To make sure all the items is selected by default with this bundle, we need to select the checkboxes, and we need to enable this thing is selected by default for all 4 items. Selected by default. Okay. So now save the changes. Let's refresh to see the changes. Here you see by default this one is selected, and all 4 items free gift items is selected as well. And what we want right now, when we select the first one, we want these 2 items is locked, and these 2 items are hidden or removed. So to do that, right now we want this to be visible, and we'll hide it later when we have done our functionality. So right now we are enabling visibility here. So the first thing is, when we select this item, we are going to unselect this checkbox. These 2 checkbox, we are going to unselect it. So let's inspect, and here our input, and we have this unique value here. We're going to copy it, and we are going to replace this type checkbox from here. So this is the unique selector. So now we are going back to our editor, and we are going to select the first container. We are going to interaction, and one click we want to run JavaScript. So here is our JavaScript code editor, and we are now going to write some JS. So first document.query selector, parenthesis, then our selector, and here we are going to unchecked the checkbox, checked equal to false. So we need to duplicate this line here, and we are going to copy the value from here for this checkbox. So we have this unique product ID. Going back here and replace this ID now. Let's save the changes and let's see. Close the inspect, refresh this on, and click the first bundle now. So here you see this box are unchecked. Products are gone from order summary. So when we click on this thing, let's copy this custom code from here and select the container for the second bundle and add interaction. On click, we want to run JavaScript again. Run JavaScript. So we just now here we want to make it true. True. So by default, all of them are selected. When you select the first bundle, it is unselected. This two checkbox and products are gone from order summary. Product price has changed. When you selecting this second bundle, all items are selected. Product price changed. So here you see the changes. So right now we don't need this thing anymore. We are going to this box of hide from here, as if we keep this on, customer can easily sense the thing here. So we need to remove this from here. We need to hide on all devices, right? Let's save it. Refresh. Here you see. So now here you see on this on, when this item is selected, we have this little lock icon. We need to add this functionality now. So here on click, select this container first, then go into interaction, and on click we are going to active a state for an element which is headline mystery. So this is the headline mystery and we are going to active it. So let's do the same thing. Active state, select the second headline for gift card, active. Let's refresh, accept the changes, and let's refresh the preview here. And here you see when we click on this bundle, this two item is visible. And what we want, we hide it when the second bundle is clicked. So let's deactivate the state. So we are, sorry, select this container, click on this deactive state, mystery, deactivate the active state. Going to do the same thing, headline gift, deactivate the active state. Let's now refresh. Click on this, we have this lock icon visible. On this click, they are hidden. So now we're going to add ID here. So mystery for this image, mystery gift, G for gift. Okay, gift card, C for card. Now we need to add a state, create a state for here. We need to create a hide, and we want to hide it when this state is active. Same thing for here, create a hide state, hide, and we want to hide on all devices when hide state for this item. Okay, so now container for first bundle. So on click, we want to hide active state for the image mystery, hide. Create another one, same things, active state, gifts image, hide. For here, we want to, when click on the second bundle, we set an interaction, the active state for the image, mystery image, hide, and the active state, gift C, hide. Save the changes. Let's refresh this page. So let's click on this bundle. You see this item are locked. Click on this one. You see all of them are visible. So this is how you can create the same user experience for your customer. And if you don't understand any step, you can comment in the below of this video. And if you want to learn anything or anything that is unique you see on other pages you want to build on Funnelish, you can comment here and can let me know. I'll try to make video on those things. Have a good one. Bye bye.